In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete InstaForex account. Now, you actually cannot press any button inside your account to be able to do this. There's no way to do it in the settings either. What you have to do to actually achieve this is you basically have to send them a request via email at support@instaforex.eu. So in case you don't know, again, this is what you have to send to. So support@instaforex.eu. Go ahead, write them an email, let them know your account number and everything like that, and then tell them you would like to basically close your trading account or your account. Okay, so that's one way. But the second one is here inside your client dashboard or your client area, you can click on this chat bubble up top, and then here you can basically go ahead and start the online chat by typing in your name, email, and the account number, and then the message, which of course could be, hey, I would like to close or delete my account, can you please help me out, or something like that. Then you can send it, and then when you get the answer, they will guide you through and help you close or delete your account. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.